Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're stepping onto the court with the ADIDAS Heather Low tennis shoes. Get ready for some serious style and comfort. Let's crack open this box and unveil these bad boys. Voila! Here they are, fresh out of the box, the ADIDAS Heather Lows. By the way, I picked these up from Flipkart. Let's break down what makes these kicks stand out. Right off the bat, the heather grey colorway with those signature ADIDAS stripes screams classic cool. These are the type of shoes you want to show off on and off the court. The upper is crafted from a breathable mesh, perfect for keeping your feet feeling as fresh as your backhand. And that outsole? It's got grip for days, no slipping and sliding during those intense matches. Style-wise, they're a slam dunk. Whether you're serving aces on the court or just hanging out with friends, these kicks add a touch of sporty flair to any outfit. Let's talk performance. With these on, you'll feel like you've got wings on your feet. Quick moves, sharp turns. These shoes are your secret weapon. And speaking of performance, the fit is spot on. These shoes mold to your feet like they were custom made. Plus, the cushioning provides just the right amount of support for those long rallies. Wrapping it up, the ADIDAS Heather Low tennis shoes get a solid thumbs up from me. They bring together style, comfort, and performance in one sleek package. Game, set, match. Thanks for tuning in to this unboxing. If you're digging these kicks, hit that like button and subscribe for more content. Time to slip these puppies on. Talk about comfort. The cushioning feels like a cloud hugging your feet. These shoes are ready to hustle without any foot fatigue. Until next time, keep swinging and stay stylish.